Just a quick video showing how the Equinox gets water down here. It can come on the seats, it can come up on through the roof, can come anywhere. Where it's coming in through is you have that drain up on your moonroof here. Water can, it'll go through there. Mine had a little bit of debris in there that usually just blocks it, and the water will just sit up in the channel in here. But where it comes through there, then what you do is you take off your hanger for the visor. You take off 2 screws here, and there will be one screw to take the panel off here. I also pull this out just so it's easier to come out and the whole panel will come off. This is your drain tube that comes down and goes down and drains out of the car. But the problem is, then at that point you can pull all of this down. And here is the problem. This is the drain tube connector. Goes there. Now you can see this doesn't match. They pull out. What happens is this shrink tube over time shrinks. Or it's not shrink tube, it's not supposed to shrink. This is your drain tube, it goes down, but they shrink over time and they just pull out. So now when water comes through that hole, and this is just laying there, it's pouring down into your car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push this back up there. I'm gonna silicone around here with some marine silicone. And if it feels like it's too tight and still pulling, what I'll do is I'll just add a little bit more tube in between and silicone that in. Hope this helps.